What's up, everybody? This is your boy JR303 coming at you with an unboxing today. So we finally got it after like 5 months. We got the Vortex AMG UH-1, the Gen 2 holographic sight. I got the package deal. It was a kit. So I got it from Optics Planet. Got a pretty good discount. So I got the whole thing. It was $7 more if I bought the kit with this, and this is like $20 some by itself, so I figured, well, I'll just do that. So we did that. It was a pain trying to get this. Like a month ago or two, they were like, oh, it's ready for shipment. It's getting boxed, and all of a sudden got delayed again. So all of a sudden I got a notification that was coming. So it is made in the US with the UK reticle, which is really nice on this. And even this, I was actually surprised to see that this sure fit was actually made in the USA, which is pretty rare nowadays with everything being made in China. So this is the cover, and here's this. Well, let's do the unboxing of this first. So this is what comes in the box, as you guys will see. This is what the box looks like anyways. Sure fits site cover. This is the other side. Made in the USA. There's the back, specifications. Okay, nothing else in the box. Just set that right there. This is what it looks like. This Vortex has a little holder there. Look at that. That's rare to see anymore nowadays. Made in the USA. It's pretty cool. Now let's get into the optic itself. So here's the box. Has a lifetime warranty, VIP warranty. Alright. Get into it. Foam. It's personally inspected. There we go. There's the manual you get. I will show you guys the manual. Here's about the optics. The optic. No, these are, I chapter these, but it's so people can look. Maybe if you guys have one and you lost something, you'll be able to freeze it, hopefully on these parts, and help you. Okay, and there's the VIP warning. Warranty, sorry, warning. Okay, so this is also what it comes with. It comes with the lens cloth. It's pretty cool. A nice lens cloth. You guys know me, I'm always rubbing down everything as I'm talking. Here we go. Not going. Okay, so here's the optic. The top. It does have like a little scuff or something, I don't know. There's the front. So here's the battery case. This takes the CR123A battery. Let's open this up. It comes with the battery. We'll insert it there. Put the cover back on. Which is really nice about this optic is you don't have to use a spent shell or anything, a flatten or a cord or anything. Has a quick connect. You can see here. Trying to see how you. Oh, so you push back here. Okay, there you go. So you push back there and then you lift up. Okay, battery's in. Let's push the plus sign. Reticle looks nice. You guys can see it's very small on camera, but when you look at it in real life, that thing is big. But there's the reticle, so you guys can see it. So that's the Vortex. I don't know which one I'm gonna put that on yet. Which pew pew.
Alright guys, so that's our video. I apologize. That camera of mine that I've been using, that I spent a lot of money on, that GoPro Hero 10, every time I use it, it's always overheating. I've talked to him, nothing ever gets fixed. So that's why the video messed up. But like always, give us those thumbs up and subscribe. Check us out on TikTok and Instagram at JR303official. And we're also on Rumble and Odyssey, JR303. And that's where you can see more of my uncensored videos, where we don't have to say things like pew pew and other ludicrous things. So, like always, give us your thoughts and opinions. Until next time.